The best credit card for flight booking in the USA in 2025 depends on your individual needs and spending habits. So here are the top 3 contenders. First, Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. This is best for frequent travelers with a modest budget. It offers a generous welcome bonus worth $750 in travel when redeemed through Chase Travel. It earns 5 times points on travel booked through Chase Travel, 3 times points on dining and online grocery shopping, and 2 times points on travel expenses. Annual fee $95. Second, Chase Sapphire Reserve. This is best for premium travelers who value luxury benefits and high rewards. It offers a $300 annual travel credit, priority pass lounge membership, and a $100 credit toward global entry. It earns 5 times points on flights and 10 times points on hotels and car rentals booked through Chase Travel. Annual fee $550. Third, the Platinum Card from American Express. This is best for travelers who prioritize lounge access, premium benefits, and a wide range of perks. It offers access to the American Express Global Lounge Collection, a $200 hotel credit, a $200 airline fee credit, and a $189 credit for a Clear Plus membership. It earns 5 times points on flights booked directly with airlines or American Express travel, and 5 times points on prepaid hotels booked with American Express travel. Annual fee $695.